Hey guys, it's April with Crafting with April. I am working on a little technique here, and I thought I would go ahead and video this for you guys instead of just telling you how to do it, just in case some of you got stuck. And I just have some of the cheapy paints here in 3 colors of pink, and I have a vase that I got from Dollar Tree. And I have applied some hearts onto it randomly. I didn't line anything up or anything like that. I wanted it to be random. And I am kind of going for like a marbling effect in the back. So I've put some paint on my, this is just from the scrap of the vinyl that I had. And then I've got the paper towel that they wrap my vase in from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just dabbing that in some paint. And then I am just going, and it's going to go on heavy at first. I am not going to do the bottom, guys. I will seal this, but there's just really no need to do the bottom. That way you can still set it on your table and work on it. Yeah, I may need to grab something to sit this on because I don't want to get on my mat. And you just want to keep dabbing till you get it as thin or as thick as you want that paint. And I'm just going to go right over the hearts. I'm not worried about those at all. And you can do these for any occasion or any colors that you want. And then we're going to use, you can see there I have some Q-tips. You can see my hand in there, so you can see about how heavy that I'm going with mine. Just tamping it around. And get up on the edge. I'm trying to stay in camera for you guys here. I have so much stuff on my desk. And right here at the front. And this is my darker color. You can, of course, use your lighter color and then go back with the darkers with the second technique. Totally up to you. They're all going to be unique. They're all going to be their own little thing. And these dry really fast, guys. If you have any thin areas, go back and touch them up until you have the amount of paint that you want on there. Now I've got some Q-tips. I have paint all over me. I have some Q-tips, and I just bundled these up, guys, so that I could dab them in paint. No rhyme or reason, no certain amount. Whatever you want to use, whatever you think will look good for you. I'm going to move my mouse out of the way. I don't want to get paint on that. And you can see I put a lot of paint down and I didn't really use that much. Probably more than enough. And I'm using 3 colors, so that's way more than enough. These 3 colors that I'm using, in case you guys want the exact same colors, are Peony Pink, Carousel Pink, and Razzleberry. And these are the Deco Arts, Americana Deco Arts. You could certainly, like I said, use the ones for glass paint if you want this to be permanent. It's like an enamel. They sell those too. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my second color, my medium, and I'm going to dab the Q-tips into it. And then I'm just going to go around these hearts in random order. You could even make flowers this way, guys. It's the way that I've seen it done, and I've done it a couple of times to make flowers this way. But I'm just dabbing randomly. You can go out as wide or as narrow as you want on these. And I am turning, oops, got off camera again, apologize. I'm just turning my Q-tips every now and again so that it's totally random. Yeah, that's already dry. Just dabbing it around. Go as heavy as you want. And now I'm just going to flip this one over. You can do the whole vase this way if you want. That's why I had so many out, as I originally was going to do that and changed my mind. And then I'm just going to add some of the lighter ones. This is kind of similar to, somebody's doing this on t-shirt with pencil erasers, I think. I think that's what I saw, which is one of the things that reminded me of the Q-tip thing. So there I have it, and now I'm just going to peel my vinyl. That's about all that I want on mine. Do yours just about as much as you want. Let me see if I can find my tool here. Thought I laid one out, but I guess I didn't. And of course, I'm going to get my flower one instead. Here we go. And now I'm just going to gently pick off my vinyl. If you've got any scraps laying around, this is a really cool way to use those. And now I have my vase. And you can fill this with anything. I've got, you can put a candle in there. I have some lights that were left over from Christmas. And I'm probably going to put some flowers in mine and maybe some tissue. Put anything in there just to... because you just want them to gently glow. Don't have to. And these are just like the little rice lights. So let me get my tissue, get my batteries. I'll put them in and I will come back. But I am going to seal this with some Krylon so that it is not rough, but it's smooth and glossy. And then I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back, and that took all probably about 5 or maybe 10 minutes to dry. By the time that I gathered my tissue and put batteries in my lights, it was dry. So that is one way that you guys can do these vases and use up some of your scraps that you had left over from Christmas projects and New Year's. And I'll show you a couple of different looks. Let's see. This is my short candle because my tall candle stopped working. But you can see very different ways that you can do these. And you can put your flowers in on the top or to the back or the side, however you want to do it. Or just put flowers in it and no lights. It's going to be pretty either way that you choose to do it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and this is day 14 of the 14 days of Valentine's, and we will have some more projects coming up here in the next couple of weeks. You guys don't forget to give a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the next video.